Hey there, knowledge seekers! Welcome back to the Fountain of Random Knowledge. Today we're diving deep into a mind-boggling mystery. Massive tunnels, too elaborate to be natural, discovered in South America. These tunnels, known as paleoburrows, unlock secrets of ancient megafauna that leave us with more questions than answers. Our journey begins with Professor Heinrich Frank, a geologist. He stumbled upon a peculiar tunnel at a construction site, sparking one of the most intriguing discoveries in recent memory. This tunnel, a whopping 15 feet in length, left everyone puzzled. It defied conventional geological explanations. But what awaited Professor Frank at its end was truly astonishing. Giant claw marks etched into the tunnel's ceiling. Professor Frank knew there was no geological process in the world that could produce such features. So, geological forces and ancient humans were ruled out as creators. Enter the Megafauna, specifically giant ground sloths. These prehistoric creatures, the size of African elephants, may hold the key to this puzzle. Heinrich Frank and his team uncovered over 1,500 tunnels. It's believed that teams of giant sloths over generations meticulously carved out these tunnels for protection from environmental factors and predators. But did humans interact with these giant sloths? Fossilized footprints found in Utah suggest possible stalking and hunting of these formidable creatures. The sloth's powerful arms and claws made them lethal in close quarters. Researchers have known about these tunnels since the 1930s, but considered them an archaeological structure. It wasn't until recently that they delved deeper into their origins. These paleoburrows come in different sizes, shapes, some stretching for hundreds of meters and branching into chambers. As researchers explored, they uncovered these distinct claw marks on the tunnel walls, believed to be the result of these massive claws. This solidified the giant sloth theory. The discovery of these tunnels finally answered questions about Pleistocene megafauna, but many mysteries still linger. The paleoburrows of South America shed light on the ancient world where giant sloths and armadillos once roamed, leaving behind these underground networks. Their intriguing claw marks provide a fascinating glimpse into the behavior and ecology of these now extinct megafauna, leaving us in awe of Earth's past. That's it for today's journey with the Fountain of Random Knowledge. If you found this video fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.